Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, April 30th, 2010. Today we have a total of 7 executable trade signals for a max potential of 25 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we started off this morning with a pre-market gap setup. Sorry about that. Instead of a T, this should be a G. And we did get a signal to get short that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 6 ticks. As we traded down into our Globex low and down to our daily pivot, opened up right around 1204. Got down to our Globex low, found some support, bounced back up to our 4 o'clock close, back down to our pivot, eventually got above that moving average, got a signal to get long. That got our first contract out of the way, but we ended up getting stopped out of the second for a 2-tick loss in that trade. But as we came back down to that moving average, again, found support at that pivot, bounced right back up to that close, and our moving average got a signal to get short. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 9 ticks as we started to push all the way down towards our previous day's low. Found a brief moment of support, touched underneath that low, and finally broke that down as the market continued just slightly lower. Sorry about that on the movement there. Came back up through our moving average, actually gave us a signal to get long. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 8 additional ticks. And then the market climbed all the way back up to that pivot, which acted as resistance, kind of traded sideways, came back down through our moving average, gave us a signal to get short going into the lunchtime dead zone there, and that produced its first contract. In fact, in the room we had a lot of folks go ahead and take this off. We saw this strong shelf forming, so the folks that were in this trade, they ended up not taking a 2-tick stop out, but our official target was 1 tick lower and it didn't make it there. So for the video purposes, I'm going to go ahead and count it as a target 1 with a 2-tick stop out. Nothing going on during the dead zone. We don't initiate any new trades, but the market did fall off hard. We just kind of step aside and let it do its thing. Finally found a little bit of support about 1 o'clock, came back up through its moving average, gave us a signal to get long right around 125 or so, and then that did hit targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 8 ticks. And then I believe we had one more opportunity. Didn't get us set up to the downside, but we crossed back up, got a signal long. Again, first contract off right there at the 2:30 reversal time. Couldn't push any higher, was rejected off of that, ended up with a 2-tick stop out. And then this move down off that 2:30 reversal was quite fast, and there wasn't any opportunity for us to get involved with that at all. So we just ended our day, and at 3 o'clock we just call a halt to everything. But you know what? We ended up having a great Friday, 7 trades, 25 ES ticks, and that ended off just a spectacular week for both our trading system signals as well as our trading room. So I want to congratulate everybody that just held it together and did a great job in the room. And I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of this screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.